About this item: compatibility, compatible for MacBook, 12-inch early 2015 to 2017, for Mac Air, 13-inch 2018 and later, for MacBook Pro, 13-inch 2016 and later, 15-inch, 2016 to 2019, 16-inch, 2019. You can use this charger instead of 87W/61W/30W/29W adapter for lower wattage. Quick charge, whether at home, in the office or on the road. This 96W USB-C charger allows you to charge quickly and efficiently without compromising its service life and performance, and this charger can automatically identify equipment and provide the fastest and most effective output current. Included USB-C charger cable, 6.6 feet. This 6.6 feet charger charge cable with USB-C connectors on both ends, ideal for charging USB-C devices, also supports syncing and data transfer between USB